Welcome to our YouTube channel 5 Minutes Notes. In that video, we will see about what is HTML structures and what is HTML tag. This slide is also show about how the HTML structures as work. This mainly that HTML code are divided into three parts. That one is a HTML starting and ending tag. In that two tags, we are using heading tag and body tag. As a previous video, we will see about how to title our web page. We can use head tag. In that head tag, we use a title tag for title of our web page. Second one is the body tag. In that body tag, we are use different heading tag, paragraph tag, link tag, or we can design our all the web pages in the body tag. We will see later in the video. This one is a heading tag. HTMLs are support different heading tag like H1 to H6. The heading tag help us to give us heading to the content of our web page. Means that HTML tag it's only we can use to heading our paragraph, heading our content like different fonts like H1 to H6. These tags are mainly written inside the body. These all the tags we are using in the body tag. HTML provides us to with the 6 heading tags from H1 to H6. Every tag displays the heading in the different style and different font styles. And the most important heading we are using for designing the web pages like a heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. We will see all in the VS Code. Let's go to the VS Code. In that code, we are using the simple H1 tag. Just copy the text and we are try to use a different heading tag, just like H2. H2 tag. Again, we can use same as H3 up to H6. H3. Next one is H4. Again H5. Last one is a H6. These are all heading tags we are used. We can save the code. If you wanted to run this code, as a previous video, we will go to our HTML file and right click the file and open with our web browser like a Firefox, Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. We can go through the Firefox. Let's see how it's work. Let's customize it. Okay. This is our HTML codes and this is our output. Okay. These are the show that this one is a 5 minutes notes having H1 tag. These are having H2 tags we are seeing, and the H1 tag having higher font according to all, and the H6 tag having a smaller font having all of the last H6 tags. And this is our title of web page. We will see in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching the video.